How to change your name on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your name on Facebook. So first of all, make sure you have updated your Facebook app to the latest version, as sometimes if your app is not updated, it will restrict some features and you won't be able to change your name. So now once you've made sure your app is updated, simply open the Facebook app. Now make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. After that, tap on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to scroll down and then go to settings and privacy. Now again tap on the option settings. Now you'll be taken to this page. So just under the account option, you can see the option named personal information. Tap on it, and now just under general, you'll see the option named name. So tap on it, and now you'll be able to view your current name. So in order to change your name, simply edit your name right over here. You can change your first name, middle name, last name. And now once you've changed the name, simply tap on the option review change. And now you can choose how your new name will appear. So you can either make your first name appear in the beginning or your last name appear in the beginning. So it is all up to you. And once you've done that, simply enter your Facebook password, and once you tap on save changes, your name on Facebook will be successfully changed. So that is basically how you change your name on Facebook. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.